Welcome. This session is on using the t-berd 2000 Smart OTDR in the real-time mode. To get started, press the home hard key, and on the home page, press the Smart OTDR icon to make it yellow to activate it. That launches us to the results page. Press the Setup Hard key. Previously, in the Smart OTDR mode, we were in the auto configuration. However, real-time is very noisy, so the traditional auto configuration does not have enough power. So select the File, Hard key, go to the Config folder, and there are two choices: medium reach or long reach. For 10, 20, 30, 40 miles, medium reach will be needed. For longer fibers, certainly long reach will be needed. Today, medium reach will be used. In the upper right corner, select the Load Soft key, go to Smart Config, and notice now on the Setup page, the configuration is going to use medium reach, which means longer pulse with more power is going to be used, so the OTDR trace will work in a noisy real-time mode. To launch into the real-time mode, press the Start-Stop button, but hold it for 2 seconds, and that will launch real-time. So the Start-Stop button will be held for 2 seconds, let go, and now the OTDR is in real-time. If the fiber at the far end is bent, if a dip is seen on the trace, that is a way to identify that both ends are on the same fiber. There's a dip in the trace. That means the bend at the far end was identified, so both ends are on the same fiber. Cursor B is where the end of the fiber is, so move cursor B with the keypad, the touch screen, or your finger. Highlight cursor A over on the right soft keys and move cursor A. Zooming can also be done by pressing the Zoom soft key. So it is now zoomed in. Use the keypads, left, right, up, and down, to bring the end of the fiber into view. On the soft keys to the right, select the cursors, and at the top of the screen, the loss between cursor A and B is 4 dBs to show that is the end of the fiber. In this case, a connector is being used, so the connector will be connected to another span. I note that it went from 4 dBs to 0.6. Real-time is noisy, so it's 0.62, 0.63, 0.65, 0.62. Had this been a splice, it might be 0.2 or 0.3, and if an actual trace had been done, it would go down to 0.05, 0.04. So by using the cursors, an estimation of the loss of a splice or connector can be done in the real-time mode. Press the Stop button. Real-time mode is stopped. Move to the next fiber. Hold the Start-Stop button for 2 seconds to launch into the real-time again. If the trace is too noisy with medium reach, go back to the File Hard key, go to Config, load the long reach configuration, and that will give more power to ensure that the real-time trace is clean even on a long fiber.